Let's explore the captivating journey of how mangoes are processed from lush orchards to the delicious products we enjoy. From picking the ripest fruits to ensuring they arrive fresh at our tables, this is a process where every step plays a role in maintaining quality and flavor. So, how do they do it? The journey of making high-quality mango products begins with selecting the perfect mangoes. This step is critical, as the quality of the mangoes directly influences the final product's taste and texture. Mangoes are typically sourced from tropical regions known for their fertile soil and ideal climate conditions. Farmers carefully choose mangoes that are ripe, firm, and free from blemishes or defects. Varieties like Alphonso, Haden, and Tommy Atkins are popular due to their sweetness and flavor. Each mango is inspected for color, firmness, and aroma, ensuring that only the best are chosen for processing. Quality control starts right at the farm, where mangoes are evaluated for any signs of disease or damage. By selecting the highest quality mangoes, producers lay a solid foundation for creating delicious and nutritious products that consumers will love. This attention to detail ensures that every step of the production process begins with the best possible raw material, setting the stage for exceptional final products. After selecting the right mango varieties, the next step is planting and farming. Mango trees are planted in well-prepared soil, rich in nutrients and with good drainage. Farmers space the trees appropriately to allow for their wide canopies and to provide sufficient air circulation. Modern farming techniques are used to ensure the trees grow healthily. This involves regular pruning, which helps maintain the tree shape and productivity. Sustainable farming practices are also emphasized to protect the soil and environment while encouraging the growth of high-quality mangoes. This includes crop rotation, the use of organic fertilizers, and employing natural pest control methods. These practices ensure that the mango trees produce fruit with rich flavor and high quality. Healthy trees are the foundation of a successful mango harvest, and by focusing on proper planting and farming techniques, farmers can produce the best mangoes possible. Proper irrigation and fertilization are essential components of successful mango farming. Consistent water supply is vital during dry periods, and farmers use irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing waste and promoting efficient growth. Drip irrigation is a common method used to ensure that each tree receives the right amount of water. Alongside irrigation, regular fertilization with the necessary nutrients enhances tree growth and fruit production. Soil tests help determine the specific needs of the trees, and both organic and chemical fertilizers are applied as needed. This balanced approach ensures that the mangoes develop a rich flavor and maintain high quality. Proper irrigation and fertilization practices contribute significantly to the health and productivity of mango trees, leading to a successful harvest. By managing these aspects carefully, farmers can ensure that their mangoes are both flavorful and nutritious. Effective pest control is crucial for protecting mangoes from various threats. Farmers closely monitor the orchards for pests like aphids, scale insects, and fruit flies, which can damage the fruit or reduce yield. Integrated pest management strategies are used to keep pests in check. This involves a combination of biological controls, such as introducing natural predators, and careful use of pesticides when necessary. The aim is to minimize chemical use, focusing instead on eco-friendly solutions to preserve both the environment and the quality of the mangoes. Farmers also employ practices like crop rotation and maintaining tree health to reduce pest populations naturally. These measures help ensure that the mangoes remain healthy and safe for consumption. By implementing effective pest control strategies, farmers can protect their crops and ensure a high-quality harvest. Timing the harvest is key to ensuring the quality of the mangoes. Mangoes are typically harvested when they have reached the appropriate stage of ripeness but are still firm. This timing is carefully monitored using color indicators and firmness tests. Harvesting too early might result in underdeveloped flavor, while picking too late can lead to overly soft and potentially spoiled fruit. In large-scale operations, specialized equipment is used to efficiently pick the mangoes, ensuring minimal damage. The goal is to get the mangoes from the tree to the processing facility while maintaining their freshness and quality. Proper timing in harvesting ensures that the mangoes have the best flavor and texture, ready for further processing into delicious products. Hand-picking mangoes ensures that only the best fruits are selected for processing. Workers carefully pick mangoes, inspecting each one for ripeness and quality. This method reduces the risk of bruising and damage that can occur with mechanical harvesting. The mangoes are gently placed into containers to avoid any impact that could affect their quality. Hand-picking also allows for the removal of any fruit that is not up to standard, ensuring that only the finest mangoes make it to the next stage. This attention to detail helps maintain the high quality of the final products. Transporting mangoes from the farm to the factory is done with care to preserve their quality. Once harvested, the mangoes are quickly transported in refrigerated trucks to maintain their freshness. The journey is planned to minimize the time spent in transit, as exposure to heat can affect the fruit's quality. Proper handling and packing are crucial during this phase to prevent bruising and spoilage. Upon arrival at the factory, the mangoes are unloaded and prepared for the next steps in the processing chain. Efficient logistics ensure that the mangoes are processed while still fresh, which is key to producing high-quality products. Upon reaching the factory, the first step is a thorough cleaning of the mangoes. The fruit is washed in large tanks of water, sometimes with added sanitizers, to remove dirt, pesticides, and other residues. This step ensures that the mangoes are clean before they move on to further processing. In some factories, mangoes are scrubbed gently to ensure a thorough cleanse. Effective cleaning is important for both product quality and food safety, as it helps to remove any contaminants that could affect the final product. Clean mangoes are essential for maintaining high standards in the production process. Once cleaned, the mangoes are sorted to ensure uniformity in size and ripeness. Sorting is typically done using conveyor belts and automated systems that separate the mangoes based on various criteria. Mangoes are categorized into different grades, depending on their size, color, and firmness. This detailed sorting process helps ensure that only the best mangoes are used for high-quality products, while those that do not meet the standards are set aside. Consistent sorting is key to producing a uniform and high-quality final product, whether it's for fresh consumption, juice, or puree. After sorting, the mangoes are peeled and cut. Peeling is done either manually or with specialized machines that remove the skin without damaging the fruit. Once peeled, the mangoes are cut into pieces, typically using automated cutters. The goal is to produce uniform pieces that are suitable for further processing. This step prepares the mangoes for juicing or pureeing, depending on the intended product. Proper peeling and cutting are important for maintaining the fruit's flavor and texture, ensuring that the final products are of high quality and meet consumer expectations. The peeled and cut mangoes are then processed into juice or puree. For juicing, the mango pieces are fed into a juicer that extracts the liquid while separating the pulp. The juice is then filtered to remove any remaining solids. For pureeing, the mango pieces are blended until smooth. In both cases, the processing equipment is designed to handle large quantities efficiently while preserving the mango's flavor and nutritional value. This stage is where the mangoes are transformed into products ready for packaging. Quality control during this phase is important to ensure that the juice or puree meets the required standards for taste and consistency. Quality control is an ongoing process throughout mango production. In this stage, samples of the juice or puree are tested for flavor, texture, and consistency. The goal is to ensure that the final product meets the company's standards and consumer expectations. Quality control involves checking for any defects or inconsistencies, such as off flavors or unwanted particles. Any batches that do not meet the standards are reprocessed or discarded. This rigorous quality assurance helps to maintain the high quality of mango products and ensures that consumers receive only the best products. Once the mango juice, or puree, has passed quality control, it proceeds to the packaging stage. For mango juice, glass or plastic bottles are commonly used, while the puree is often packaged in jars or pouches. Automated packaging machines efficiently fill and seal these containers, ensuring they are airtight and secure. This step is crucial for preserving freshness and preventing contamination. The packaging process involves several key elements to maintain product integrity. Containers are meticulously cleaned and prepared before filling to eliminate any contaminants. The automated systems ensure a consistent fill level and secure seal for each container, reducing the risk of spoilage during storage and transportation. Packaging designs include labels with detailed information about the product, such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. These labels not only inform consumers, but also help in maintaining traceability throughout the supply chain. Proper labeling ensures that consumers have all the necessary information to make informed choices about their purchases. The efficiency of the packaging process is vital to maintaining the high quality of the mango products. By minimizing the time between production and sealing, producers can ensure that the mango juice and puree retain their fresh taste and nutritional benefits. The use of advanced packaging technology also helps reduce the risk of human error, further safeguarding the quality of the products. In summary, the packaging stage is a carefully orchestrated process that combines cleanliness, precision, and efficiency. By employing state-of-the-art machinery and strict protocols, producers ensure that their mango products are packaged in a way that preserves freshness, prevents contamination, and provides consumers with all the information they need. This meticulous approach to packaging helps deliver high-quality mango products that meet consumer expectations. Maintaining the freshness of mango products is a top priority during the packaging and distribution stages. To ensure optimal quality, mango juice and puree are often stored in temperature-controlled environments. These conditions help keep the products at the ideal temperature, preventing spoilage and preserving their natural flavor and nutritional value. For mango products that need to be shelf-stable, producers use methods such as pasteurization or high-pressure processing. Pasteurization involves heating the products to a specific temperature to kill any harmful bacteria, while high-pressure processing uses high levels of pressure to achieve the same result without the need for heat. Both methods effectively extend the shelf life of the products, ensuring they remain safe and delicious for consumers. Throughout the storage and handling process, careful attention is paid to maintaining the integrity of the mango products. This involves regular monitoring of storage temperatures, as well as ensuring the packaging materials are durable and provide an effective barrier against contaminants. Proper handling procedures are also followed to minimize the risk of damage during transportation and storage. By implementing these measures, producers can ensure that their mango products remain fresh and high quality from the moment they are packaged until they reach the consumer. This meticulous approach not only helps to preserve the taste and nutritional benefits of the mango products, but also builds consumer trust in the brand. By prioritizing freshness and quality, producers can deliver a consistently satisfying experience to their customers, reinforcing their reputation for excellence in the marketplace. Finally, the packaged mango products are ready to be distributed to retailers and consumers. This stage involves a well-coordinated effort to transport the products from the factory to various points of sale, including grocery stores and online platforms. Efficient logistics and supply chain management are crucial to ensure the products arrive in excellent condition and on time. The journey begins with carefully loading the packaged mango products onto refrigerated trucks. These trucks maintain optimal temperatures to preserve the freshness and quality of the products during transit. Distribution routes are meticulously planned to minimize travel time and avoid delays. This ensures that the mango products remain as fresh as possible until they reach their destinations. Upon arrival at distribution centers, the products are unloaded and stored in temperature-controlled environments until they are dispatched to retailers. Retailers then stock the mango products on their shelves, making them accessible to consumers. Online platforms also play a significant role, with products being shipped directly to consumers' doorsteps, ensuring convenience and wider reach. Throughout the distribution process, quality control measures are in place to monitor the condition of the products. Any deviations from the expected standards are addressed promptly to maintain the high quality the consumers expect. The entire process, from selecting the best mangoes to delivering the final products to consumers, is designed to ensure that every mango product is fresh, flavorful, and of the highest quality. By focusing on efficient logistics and careful handling, producers can meet consumer expectations and provide a delightful experience with every purchase. This dedication to quality and service helps build consumer trust and satisfaction, reinforcing the brand's reputation in the marketplace. So, there you have it. The fascinating journey from selecting the perfect mangoes to the delicious products we enjoy. This process artfully combines careful handling with modern technology to deliver flavors that are cherished around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.